moment you protect the fixed life. So put the good. So anyway, yeah. See how steep that is? It's gonna be a high bike.
Okay. Ow. Your slow and our slow are two different slows. Oh, okay.
That's the one I cut out. Went down and cut out last time and just goes back.
All right. I just did all that. I don't know what I recorded, but that was epic. We are not doing it again. Not today. Okay. No! Damn it. Come on. Out of the way, Peck. Oh, I cleared it. Don't got it. Scratch my paint. I got it dirty. It's probably the last time we'll see Ben again.
Like, if I wreck, would I rather him have to dodge me, or would I rather see him wreck and then I dodge him?
I'd like.
That's what I think about.
Me being behind him, I'd like to see him wreck and not hit you.
Well, you being in front means I got at least 200 yards before I even see anything.
Well,
so.
I think it's too late.
Well, if you wreck, I'll get you on video. So hey.
Yeah, there you go. If you don't fall already. Oh, okay. Was not ready for that one. Yeah, don't nosedive. Got it, got it. Ooh, thank you, derailer. All right. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Oh, that was a branch.
Rabbit hole.
All right.
Keep going, you guys ready?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, man.
Tell me about the rabbits, George.
How the fuck do you, like, that one where you said you weren't ready for that? I about fucking ate
Oh,
it.
because you have to pick up your bike and
yeah.
pedal. He knows how to do it. I don't.
Well, I didn't.
I just let Jesus take the wheel.
This. I was like that. And I fucking,
Seriously,
yeah.
it was a digression. Like, you did it right, then I like slightly nose bombed and literally just like hope for the best.
Yeah.
And then I heard him and he almost darted.
Yeah, I was
Yeah, get
I
off
went
the
down
brakes,
like that.
Get your ass on the tire.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I did. I was going too slow to try to lift up.
It's a good recovery though, because.
I didn't do that. Yeah,
Yeah. All right, man.
I'm okay with you going first. If you